Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I put out a new schedule. So on Mondays, I'm going to be doing affiliate marketing tutorials. And in this one, I'm going to be going over the topic of which affiliate marketing strategy is the most effective. So there's a bunch of different strategies that you can take, but you might, if you're new to affiliate marketing, or maybe you've been doing it, you've been trying to dabble in different strategies and methods, you might be actually wondering, am I spending my time doing the one that has the best chance of being the most effective, right? There's so many different strategies to use as an affiliate marketer to drive traffic. So in this video, we're going to be talking about which one works the best. So let's jump in. So the main strategies of affiliate marketing, of course, this isn't an all, exclusive or inclusive list. There are probably dozens more strategies, but I just am listing the main ones that come to mind that for the most part, most of the other strategies will fit in under one of these main topics. So you have a website or niche website, niche affiliate marketing, if you will. And, in general, building a website and getting traffic to that website. You can do paid advertising to get traffic to your website, or you can use other methods to get traffic to that website. But, the main goal would be this is a long-term strategy that you can have a website and try to rank it on the search engines, especially Google, and then in turn, get free traffic to your website. And of course, you have affiliate links on those pages. People click on those affiliate links and then you make a commission. So there's website building, and then there's YouTube. Like right now, I'm making this video and I have a chance to reach a new audience every time I put out a video. And I also get to talk to my current audience, right? If you're a subscriber, you might have clicked on this to check out my video today for Monday. And generally speaking, you like the content on this channel and you learned something of value. And so you're going to continue to come back as long as I'm offering value to you, right? So YouTube is a great one as well, because you're able to build more of a connection. People get to know you and your teaching style and whatever influence that you may have. They're going to either you're going to connect with the right people that are going to watch your videos till the end. And then if they're going to subscribe, it means that they're connecting with your content and they want to see more. And so YouTube is a really, really good one, right? And then you have social media, right? You have the big ones. The one that used to come to mind that doesn't come to mind quite as much anymore is Facebook. But Facebook still has 2 billion users every single month. Some people say Facebook is dead, but that's just simply not true. It's not necessarily in my daily arsenal but I am faulting there because I should be using Facebook, and I'm actually planning on probably launching a Teach Me Money Methods Facebook fan page because I don't want to be missing out on different places to reach different audiences. There are people that only check Facebook and they're only on Facebook. So then imagine all those people that, even a percentage of those 2 billion people that are on Facebook, if they are not really going to YouTube, they're not YouTubers and they're not watching YouTube long form content on a daily basis, then you're missing out on that audience, right? So if you have something to say, you want to reach all those platforms. And then the one that really stands out and comes to mind, well, there's 2 probably right now, which would be Instagram is definitely really big right now, and it has been for a couple of years, and it's just increased in popularity and a chance to connect with an audience on a different level. And then TikTok is another one, kind of similar to YouTube, only it's, 60-second or less videos, but TikTok as well. And I'm actually starting up the TikTok channel for Teach Me Money Methods as well. I have about 9 videos posted. So I will, if I remember, I will drop a link below so you can check out the TikTok page. And then you have email marketing, right? So email marketing is, when you have subscribers on your email marketing list, then you're able to get traffic to an offer. If you need to sell something or something, you want to let your email subscribers know about something, you can do that in less than 5 minutes. You open up your autoresponder email service. I use GetResponse. and you type up a quick email, and then you can send that message out and you get instant traffic. So that one's if you're right out of the gates starting from scratch, you're not going to have an email list, right? But the long-term goal would be to have an email list so you can get instant traffic on demand whenever you want. So there's, of course, like I said, there's lots more, but all of them really tie back to the main four above. So which one is best, right? That's kind of the topic of the video. Which one is the one that is the best? Well, you have to, decide that for yourself. It's going to depend on your style. What is your talent? Are you really camera friendly? Or you like talking on camera? Then, YouTube might be one, or Instagram. Instagram, you can put videos on Instagram as well. And if that's really not what, you're into, then maybe Twitter is one, because you don't have to put videos on there. You can just send out quick, one sentence, or just a small message, and you can reach an audience with Twitter as well. So there's so many different ways. So it's going to depend on what you feel you're most interested in and talented at, and that's the one you really want to probably gravitate towards. So yeah, like I said, if you like getting in front of the camera or creating interesting videos without being on camera. So the deal is, like with YouTube, you don't have to get on camera like I'm doing right now. You can create videos. Like right now, I can we could just do away with the talking head part that I have the webcam on here. That can go away. I made like 140 videos without even being on camera, and I was able to build thousands of subscribers. So you don't have to be on camera. People want to see just a presentation. You can do presentations like I'm doing right here, and you can teach them something. You can do screencasts where you're going through softwares and teaching them different methods of stuff, right? So you don't have to be on camera, but it kind of depends on your niche too. There are probably some certain niches where you really can't avoid getting on camera, probably like the beauty niche. If you're going to teach somebody about makeup and things like that, you're probably going to have to get on camera for that. So the fastest results will come from social media, but this method will not bring in the highest quality traffic. It will need lots of traffic with this one. So social media is great, right? Start up all your accounts and start posting material on there. Now, once you build those accounts up, you start getting a lot of people watching your stuff. But, for example, you can have an Instagram profile and post a picture and get, dozens of comments and, hundreds of likes. One of my Instagram channels a couple years ago, we put out, multiple, I think like 10 in a row, where we had thousands of views and likes on the images, but it didn't really amount to anything, right? So the traffic there is not really wanting to click on stuff to go to other websites, right? So it's a little bit harder to pull the attention span on some of these platforms to actually get them interested in something. So, then there's the long-term impact will come from YouTube and a website. So YouTube and a website, YouTube's going to take a while. You're not going to put up one video and overnight become a YouTube sensation and have millions of subscribers and may be making hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's just not going to happen. But if you stick to it, creating a YouTube channel and posting regularly 2 to 5 times a week, and website posting 2 to 5 pieces of content, long form, 1,500 to 2,000 words each time. Doing those two things will, at the end of the day, when you look at it in 1 to 2 years from now, these two, I believe, YouTube and having a niche website or a blog, those two will have the greatest impact on your overall business and revenue that you are able to bring into your business, in the long term. So that's what I'm focused on, is long-term results, right? So what is my favorite? I kind of alluded to it already. My favorite is YouTube, because I have never had so much success with any other strategy. Yes, I've had Facebook pages in the way. Back in the day, I've had multiple Facebook pages. I've done Facebook advertising before. I've had Instagram accounts. I've had me and a friend had a business venture a couple years ago. We built a Twitter account to have 130,000 followers on our Twitter page, and every time we would do a post, 4 to 6 posts a day, we would get hundreds of likes and comments and all that stuff. This was in the self-help niche and motivation niche, but it never really resulted. We made a little bit of money, but it just never really, it was very hard to monetize that traffic, right? And YouTube, so take that 130,000, subscribers on our Twitter account. And some would say you can make money from that no matter what niche you're in. Well, there's certain niches it's going to be a little bit harder, but just the comparison of that, right? I've been a marketer for 10 years and I was not able to really monetize that traffic that well. But then taking that and then moving over to YouTube and having a small YouTube channel with, starting making money with 300 subscribers on the YouTube channel and selling my course. And in the last 6 months, making over $13,000 on my YouTube channel, right? That's what, from my own personal experience, YouTube has been the greatest success story from all those other platforms. Now, and I've ranked websites within 4 weeks back in the day and made $1,000 that month from a brand new website. I've had those experiences, but YouTube for the long-term results that you're going to get from it, and then also the immediate results that you can have if you put in the work. You kind of get both. And then what you get is you get a following of people that want to, get your content regularly, and you can continue providing value to them. Right. And then I'm always looking at what online assets or real estate am I going to have in the next year or two? And I want to look at the longevity of stuff, right? YouTube's been around a long time. Website ranking on Google has been around for, 25 plus years. So those are the ones that building that brand around longevity is really what I recommend. So YouTube is definitely my favorite, but which one is your favorite affiliate marketing strategy? So if you are an affiliate marketer as well, and you've had success with any of those strategies or platforms, drop a comment below and just say, hey, Instagram, I make $100 a day on Instagram, or, drop a comment. I don't know how you weren't able to monetize that 100,000 followers traffic from your Twitter page. You must have been doing something wrong. I would just like to hear from you what your favorite platform for affiliate marketing is, right? And so which one do you honestly think works best? Drop a comment below. Thanks. So if you want to build your online business today, but don't know where to start, and you don't know what product to sell, and you don't have the software tool that is needed to make all of it work, right? Oh, and this company that I want to tell you about also offers 80% reoccurring monthly commissions, right? So if you make a sale, then that day you made that sale, the next month on that day, you will get paid the exact same amount of commission. It's not like a lot of programs, they'll do a commission or maybe 100% commission from the very start. And then the next month you get like 20% or 30% commission for the life of that subscription. In this case, you get an 80% commission every single month, right? And so you're building up a longevity, you're building up a reoccurring commission to where at the start of every month, depending on how many subscribers you have under you, you will actually be starting off the month with that much money in your pocket. So really, really cool stuff. So if you're interested in that, sounds something like what you're looking for right now, check out the first link in the description. And this is the program that I am dedicated to after doing this for over 10 years online. I'm focused on building a real long-term business. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. You go to the About page on my YouTube channel, and you can see what the schedule of my posting actually is. I should actually put it up right here for you. But the posting for on Mondays is going to be all affiliate marketing training, just like this video, right? And I'll be doing where I'll dive in and actually show you what I'm doing to make money with affiliate marketing. And so every Monday, I'll be going over an affiliate marketing video for you. So subscribe so you don't miss out on next Monday's affiliate marketing training. So I hope you enjoyed this video and got value from it. Until next time, take care.